everybody here has been feeling the heat, tama ba? Init na init, no? Labas ka lang, ramdam mo na siya, humuhulas ka na ng pawis, di ba? But syempre at McDonald's, we are very, very keen on making coolness as the topmost priority. So as we all seek ways to keep cool or stay cool during the summer, McCafe is very, very excited because we are introducing new McCafe Summer Brews Iced Coffee so that we become your ultimate summer destination. So with that, let me present to you two of our new flavors. First of all is the comeback of our cereal milk iced coffee, which we launched last year and became a big crowd favorite. But joining our McCafe cereal milk iced coffee lineup is the new toasted coconut iced coffee. May mga nakatikim na ba ng toasted coconut iced coffee? Kakaiba. Kakaiba siya, right? So, we really took inspiration from the adventurous and unique tastes of our local customers. Si McCafe Cereal Milk Iced Coffee is really aimed to bring back some nostalgic feelings. Diba? Pag kumakain ka ng breakfast cereal bowl, yung mga natitirang sweet milk and cereal at the end of it, that's actually the taste that you get combined with our coffee. Toasted coconut, on the other hand, we've been seeing a rise in the trend of combining fruit flavors with coffee. And I'm sure that coconut is not a stranger, diba, to our local palate. I mean, there are a lot of local delicacies na buko yung base niya. May mga mahihilig ba dito sa buko pandan? Yes, mga buko jam para sa tinapay, bread, right? So a lot of our local delicacies really have buko in it, and a lot of Filipinos like it. And it's a big trend that we've been seeing of mixing coffee and also fruit flavors like coconut. And that has been the inspiration of our toasted coconut iced coffee. And here at McCafe, of course, we commit to always serving you affordable and great tasting coffee, but also really elevating it to become a delightful experience. So like the rest of our iced coffee flavors, we are making our coffee topmost quality because it still uses the same premium 100% Arabica beans so that it ensures your coffee is really as refreshing and as flavorful as it can be. So this summer, we invite you to try our McCafe Summer Brews. Again, whether you're just starting the day with us, you want an afternoon refreshment kasi nga sobrang init, or better yet, meron kayong summer road trip ngayon with your friends, with your family, it's the perfect refreshing drink that can be your partner, your companion in that trip. And what's better is that we are making our iced coffee easy and affordable for all our customers to enjoy because we have special deals on the McDonald's app. Meron na bang may McDonald's app dito sa phone? Thank you, thank you. Yes, it's great. For the rest, I hope you download it now because we again have special deals on our app. So starting today, you can avail of our 2 iced coffees for only 99 pesos. Malaking discount yan. Each of our coffee flavors is at 75 pesos. But today, you can buy 2 for 99 pesos. So, nasa mga 30+% discount na ngayon. So, sobrang sulat. Invite your friends to McDonald's today and avail it. And starting tomorrow up until May 20, we have more deals and discounts also on the McDonald's app. So whether you're an existing user or you're a new user, magda-download pa lang kayo, you can also enjoy more discounts on the app as well. Because you can get the iced coffee, whether it's cereal milk or toasted coconut, at 65 pesos only. While for our coffee float option, you can also enjoy it at 75 pesos only. So that's roughly 20% discount on our coffee flavors. So again, thank you very much for joining us today. Remember, our McCafe iced coffee is only available for a limited time offer. You can enjoy it in 3 varieties. We have the iced coffee. Kung gusto nyo ng merong ice cream para mas malamig, we have coffee float. And meron din tayong iced latte version. So starting today, May 13, we'll have our iced coffee flavors available. And invite your friends, your family to taste it. So I'm sure you guys are really excited to try it. Nakikita nyo pa lang yung display, pero I hope takam na kayo to have the iced coffee. So in just a few minutes, you'll be having that taste, and we'll try them all together. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone, and have a good morning.